Welcome to Beta Metal. Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Beta. Hello everyone, welcome to Beta Mathematics classes. I am Sanjay Beta. Today I will teach a problem. Today I will teach a new problem from inequality. Hello everyone, welcome to Beta Mathematics. I am Sanjay Beta, and today I will teach Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Beta. Hello everyone, welcome to Beta Mathematics. I am your teacher Sanjay Beta, and today I am. Hello everyone, welcome to Beta Mathematics classes. I am Sanjay Beta, and today I have brought a new question from inequality. So let us start. So in this problem, A, B, C are positive numbers, and then we have to prove BC by A plus CA by B plus AB by C is greater than or equal to A plus B plus C. So how to solve? Let us see. Since A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, C is greater than 0, therefore root over BC by A solution we know that solution we know that root BC by A minus root CA by B solution. We know since square of any number is always positive, therefore root BC by A minus root over CA by B whole square is greater than or equal to 0. This implies we know that solution. We know that square of any non-negative number is always positive. Therefore, here in this problem you can see this BC by A plus CA by B plus AB by C. So how to get these terms? So to get this term, what we will do, we will take square root of BC by A, square root of BC by A minus square root of CA by B. This whole square is greater than equal to 0. You see, if we will square, if we square this one, that is root BC by A whole square, it will give BC by A. If you square this one, root over CA by B whole square, so CA by B it gives. That means on squaring this BC, root over BC by A minus root over CA by B whole square greater than 0, will get the problem. Not perfect. Solution. We know square of any number is positive, therefore root BC by A minus root over CA by B whole square greater than equal to 0. This gives, this is of the form A minus B whole square, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So I can write here root over BC by A whole square plus root over CA by B whole square minus twice AB. Look, so this is of the form A minus B whole square, which gives A square plus B square minus twice AB. Now on squaring this BC by A, on squaring this CA by B greater than equal to, this minus 2 will become plus if it moves to the right hand side. So here root A into root B is root over AB. So same, if we multiply these two, BC into CA, it will become ABC square by AB. Now this A cancel, B cancel. This imply BC by A plus CA by B is greater than equal to twice C, because square root C square is twice C. So let it be equation 1. Now similarly we can prove CA by B minus AB by C is greater than equal to twice A, equation 2, because here you see, here C is common in these two fractions, so here 2C, here A is common in these two fractions, that is why it will become 2A, and AB by C minus BC by A is greater than equal to twice, here B is common in both the fractions, so 2B, let it be equation 3. Now on adding 1, 2 and 3, we will get, adding 1, 2 and 3, we get, you can see here it is BC by A plus CA by B wrong. Similarly, we can prove CA by B plus AB by C is greater than or equal to twice A, because in these two fraction C is common, so became 2C, and in these two fraction A is common in denominator, so it will become twice A. Let it be equation 2, and AB by C plus BC by A is greater than or equal to twice B, because B is common. Here equation 3. On adding 1, 2 and 3, if we add, what we will get? BC by A plus CA by B, CA by B plus AB by C plus AB by C, BC by A is greater than or equal to 2A plus 2B plus 2C. You can see here I have added left hand side of 1, 2, 3 here and right hand side of 1, 2, 3 here. So now here BC by A, BC by A, we can write 2 BC by A, then come 2 CA by B, then 2 AB by C. Here 2 is 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Now dividing 2, or we can take 2 common from both the side. 2 is common, BC by A plus CA by B plus AB by C greater than or equal to 2 is common, A plus B plus C. So now these 2 and these 2 cancel, and then we will get the proof. Hence BC by A plus this is CA by B plus AB by C is greater than or equal to A plus B plus C. Solved.